Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you. My name is Anissa, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what we purchased for our Toddlers Easter basket for 2021. So if you are new here, let me catch you up to speed just a little bit. I have a 2-year-old daughter and her name is Rylan, and this is pretty much going to be her very first Easter basket. So everything is going to be very toddler based. She is only 2. Everything that we purchased for her this year is very affordable, and of course it is from Target, duh. But it's going to be very catered to her personality and to everything that she is into currently at the moment. You are DIYing an Easter basket yourself this year. If you are late to the game, don't worry, a lot of this stuff is still available, and I will definitely link everything in the description box below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time that we upload. The first thing that we purchased was this wire basket. I picked this up from Target. It was $8. The reason why I decided to go with a wire basket was because this basket can be reusable for different holidays. It doesn't have to just be for Easter. It can be for like a little Valentine's Day basket when I choose to do that, or any other type, like a Thanksgiving, any type of holiday I figure I want to use it for, I can use it for. And it was only $8, so you can't beat that. So the first thing that we got to put in her Easter basket was this jumbo Aqua Draw Doodle mat. She's really big into drawing right now, her colors and all of that. She likes to scribble and write and do all of that. And I thought this was pretty cool because it has the alphabet all around the mat, A through Z. It has different colors, and it's honestly no mess. If I could keep her off of the tables, drawing on the walls or anything like that, then I will do it. So I figured this Aqua Draw Doodle mat would be perfect for her and perfect for me. Ran across this book in Target one day and I really liked it, so I wanted to pick it up for her. I got The World Needs Who You Were Made to Be by Joanna Gaines, and I really just like Joanna Gaines. It's a really good book. I believe it sends a really good message, so I wanted her to have it. I caught this on sale. Actually, they were having a sale to where you spend $20 on books, you get a $5 gift card or $5 off or something like that. So I picked her up 2 books. This one was $19.99. And then I picked her up a Colorativity scented twistable crayon book. She's really into Minnie Mouse right now, so I figured this would be perfect for her to color on when we're either out and about, sitting at a restaurant, or in the car, or anything like that. I figured this would be great for her to have. This one was $7.99, and that did go with the offer of buying $20 worth of books and getting $5 off. And then I forgot to tell you guys, but the Doodle mat I actually got on sale. Target is starting to have sales on toys, so I believe that the Doodle mat is originally $14.99 and I ended up getting it for $9.99. I said she's really big into Minnie Mouse at the moment, and it is now springtime. So what's better than to get spring started with some bubbles? She loves bubbles, you guys. This girl is like bubble crazy and Minnie Mouse crazy. So I figured this would be perfect. It's so cute. We could take this with us to Disneyland whenever we go, you know, after everything settles down. But I figured this was so cute. It lights up and it makes sounds, and yeah, she's gonna love it. The next thing we purchased for her was some scented sidewalk chalk. We are a really big fan of the Sun Squad when it comes to spring and summertime. I believe they have really good quality items for a really good price. So we got her some scented sidewalk chalk. I purchased her some Raya sidewalk chalk a little over a week ago, I think, and she fell in love with chalk. So I figured I'd pick these up for her. How fun is this? They have different flavors: peach, pineapple, lime, banana, and cherry. So I know she's gonna love these. Next thing we got for her, she's really into her baths, you guys. So I purchased this from Target out of the Bullseye section. These were $1 a piece. I got her bubblegum pink and sky blue finger paint soap for the bathtub when it's bath time. I know she's gonna love these. We already have these in some different colors, so I know she's for sure gonna love these. The next thing that we purchased for Rylan, these were actually from Walmart, you guys, because I couldn't find any good stickers at Target, which was a bummer. But I purchased these everyday stickers from Walmart. The sticker book that has 608 pieces was like $2, and this little itty bitty thing of stickers that I got, 32 stickers, was for 47 cents. She loves stickers right now. They're all over the house, you guys. All over her slide, everywhere, but she loves them, so I wanted to buy her some new stickers. The next thing we purchased for her is from Target out of the Bullseye section. This is the Minnie Mouse lavender scented hand sanitizer, you guys. This girl is 100% good on her hygiene, okay? She's already OCD about her hands being clean at all times, so I figured that this would be really cute for her to have. Next thing we picked up for her, you guys, was some Baby Alive diapers, just the refill diapers for her Baby Alive because she's really into baby dolls right now. We are potty training, so I figured this would be a good tool to use, and plus they were on sale. I believe they were about $4. And yeah, I figured this would be good for her just because she loves her baby dolls, and we are potty training, like I said. So I think these will help with the process of potty training. The next thing I purchased for her was also from the Bullseye section in Target. It's just some little plush bunny ears for her to have to celebrate the holiday with. I figured these would be really cute to get some pictures of her in outside. The thing I purchased for her is just a bunny. This was on sale. This is part of the Pillow Fort collection. It was on clearance because it was from last season. So I got this for $5.60 when it's originally like $14.99, I believe. So I figured it was a good deal and it matches the occasion. So the next thing we picked up for her was a little bathing suit. I figured it was the perfect time to get her in her swimsuit for spring and get her ready for summer. It's just a yellow polka dotted little bikini. I thought this was so cute. I could not pass this up. This was, let's see, it's originally $11.99 from the Cat and Jack collection, but I believe I got it for 25% off because they were doing 25% off of kids apparel. Next thing we got her were just some little scrunchies from the Bullseye section in Target. This little satin scrunchie I thought was so cute. It's like a satin baby pink and it has white trim around it. And then I got her this scrunchie with tails and it's tie-dye, super trendy, super cute. These both were $1 from the Bullseye section. Next thing we got her were these cute little aviator sunglasses, you guys. She actually picked these sunglasses out herself. I love to put her in sunglasses in the summer and springtime. I think they are so cute, just so little and cute on her cute little face. For $6 at Target. Thermos kids mug. I thought this was so cute for when we go on vacation, you guys. It keeps her items cold for up to 12 hours, so I figured this would be perfect. It's rose gold, it has a little pop top, and it has a straw, so she's for sure gonna feel like a little big girl drinking out of this cup. I thought it was so cute. These are usually $14.99 and I caught this on sale for $4, you guys. So she is a big fan of red vines, so I bought her own pack of red vines to put into her Easter basket this year. Picked her up for these mini chip ahoy. She really enjoys these. Every time we go to Target, she grabs a pack of these. So I figured these would go perfectly in her basket. Mini M&M. She's not too big into chocolate, you guys, but she will eat some M&Ms every now and then. And then lastly, she is a huge gummy bear fan. So that's it, you guys. This is how our Easter basket turned out. I wouldn't even be me if I didn't add anything a little extra custom to this basket. I just cut out a little name gift tag of Ryland's name and my Cricut maker. And yeah, you guys, I'm super excited about how this basket turned out. I can't wait to see Ryland's face when she opens it on Easter morning. Happy Easter, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.